Okay.
What are we talking about today?
Okay, so we got a lot of hits from Yesicas hiccuping videos, and it was only for like 30 minutes. It wasn't that long for the people that keep asking how long did they last.
That
Cause
was kind of long.
after she fell asleep, they went away,
Eventually.
and she only got them because she kept drinking pickle juice, and she was on a happy pill. But do y'all like have hiccup fetishes? Cause this is kind of like really weird. It got 400 views in like one day.
And messages and emails saying your hiccups are cute.
Yeah.
Kind of weird. Borderline stalkerish if not over it.
And it's kind of weird that y'all pay attention to more of our boobs than anything else in the video. Yeah, and then you grabbed my boob in that one video.
Yeah.
You owned me, and then my badge.
Yeah. I didn't get that part.
But, yeah, I just basically want to know if y'all have, like, a hiccup fetish. Like, does that turn you on? And Jessica can't control her hiccups. You can't just make yourself hiccup.
You can't.
No.
Unless, for some people, when they get drunk, they'll hiccup, but it won't even last long.
Mm-mm. And when I take a happy pill and I drink, I get the hiccups. So the next time we take a happy pill and she gets the hiccups, I mean, God, let's pull out the camera and take a video of it.
Because they're so important and people just want
Hiccups are great! Not really, they suck.
I know, you can't breathe and stuff, and it's just like, sometimes it's funny and they happen at the wrong moments.
When your eyes have to open like this. Hiccup.
Shut up. That was the moment I was talking about.
Oh, wrong moment. Oh, I just want to mention Marcus's name in this video just because he likes watching videos with his name in it because he thinks he's so cool. Even though he's supposed to make a video today bashing us.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, Lacey, I love your toe thumbs. They're amazing.
You're not getting it.
Yeah.
My thumbs aren't.
You don't have toe thumbs.
I have thumbs, right?
Wait, no, yeah, you have thumbs.
I have preemie hands.
She uses that excuse for everything because she's a preemie.
No, but I have preemie hands. Don't doubt that I don't have preemie hands.
Sure. Yeah, they're not that much bigger or smaller than mine.
Jessica,
they're a little skinnier.
When we went to Sonic, you handed me my change and you're like, God damn, you have small hands. Don't go to the Sonic on Shepherd because there's cockroaches that go across the
Sorry guys, but we did see a cockroach once.
Yeah.
It was huge too. Bigger than my thumb.
It was humongous.
Oh. Another thing. This is a question for everyone. If you were an animal, what would you be? We asked this earlier. A friend a couple days ago. She said nobody ever says a cockroach. When you think about it, cockroaches don't die pretty much.
Why not?
I don't know. They never go away.
If you spray them with repellent, they die.
But there's millions all over the world. They have. How do they have sex?
I don't know, but this one time I saw a cockroach. Like, I was in the kitchen. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I heard this crunching noise. And there was literally a cockroach eating a honeycomb. It was the coolest thing ever, but so nasty.
How do birds do it too? That's weird fact.
I like it.
Like flying?
Mhm.
They can't do that.
Yeah. Why would I just make that up?
Wouldn't their wings hit each other?
Okay, don't some stuff hit each other when you're having sex?
Yeah.
Okay, well then.
Well,
Huh?
I guess. Midair.
Yeah.
That means, like, what if, like, you're driving and it's not bird poop on your car? That's, like, jizz. Bird jizz.
I got that text message already.
Ew, bird jizz.
Okay, anyways, enough about jizz, because that's kind of gross.
In my pants.
I jizzed in my pants. So,
what?
Today was kind of interesting. Kind of.
I had an interesting substituting class.
Happy birthday, Jonathan.
Yeah, shout out to Jonathan. He can buy porn and be in it.
And cigarettes.
He's legal.
Totally.
He's not gonna do anything,
Yeah.
but he's legal.
Yeah. He can do it, but he won't. He's a cool kid.
Yeah. I get cookies.
He gave me a cupcake. It was the most delicious cupcake I've ever had.
It's supposed to be my cupcake, but I get cookies tomorrow.
He had another cupcake for you.
Yeah, somebody took it. Cause that was my favorite.
Mine?
I don't know.
No.
I just totally lost train of thought.
No. He had like 2 or 3 cupcakes, and he gave me mine. Anyways, happy birthday. Even though I'm eating peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh,
Peanut butter has to have vanilla.
what?
Peanut butter. It's like recall right now.
Yeah, I know, certain types.
I had jelly sandwich today. I wasn't happy. My tummy made a sound. um. Oh yeah, I want to talk about my substitute today. She was interesting. It took her an hour to do about a 10-word crossword puzzle thingy, or word find, of presidents. She was just odd. Badass artist, though. I saw her work, but she was odd. We were trying to find out what all she was on. She was like a modern hippie.
Sorry.
But yeah, she was fun. It was an interesting second
Yeah,
half of class.
she got to go, leave class, smoke some herb while I was stuck in 3rd period.
You had a fun morning.
Yeah, but it wore off because freaking I drank
Whoa,
milk.
sober as bird now.
Me too.
It only lasts. It didn't even last till 4th period. Okay, maybe it did.
Buy these now.
They are delicious.
Yum. Except for the tangerine gun. I don't really like this. I wonder how long this video is.
Well, it's not time.
Stay home this time. No, don't stay
You know, stupid thing. They trip you out. Oh man, let me show you that picture of this.
Why is it always on me?
Yeah, we should want a happy hour. But not to the one on Shepherd.
Oh yeah, Marcus said that was pretty gross if you pop in your blister.
Yeah. It doesn't hurt. Blister doesn't hurt.
Have you been wearing your Vans without socks?
Yeah, I'm scared too.
Exactly. My nephew's coming over today. My sister. She's cool. Kinda. Just kidding.
Now?
See? That's my nephew. He's so cute. Anyways, we had something else to talk about, but I just can't remember.
Should we talk about the pregnant chick that's 15 and the dad's 13?
I think we should do that on a different video. This one's pretty long. Okay, so we're about to make another video. See you later. Peace out, dudes. Peace, chicken grease. I don't know.
No, what is it? Peace, love, and chicken grease. Yeah, that's it, because my brother says it sometimes.
Okay. Alright, bye.